detergent, food coloring, and a bowl with a spoon.
Alright, let's get it. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to need to do is pour all this glue into this bowl to make a giant slime.
Get all of that in there. Boo. This is white boo. You should love
You don't see
those.
What? What are y'all talking about?
More
boo-boo? Woo, the glue.
You got glue.
Look how much glue it is.
I swear to God.
Try to use your cell phone, too.
No, you got glue on me.
Look how much glue it is.
Ooh. Oh, I'm not my hand in this.
My fork. Oh my God, there's so much glue. Whoa, I've never seen so much glue in one bowl.
Me either.
So,
And it looks so smooth.
you said you're gonna eat it?
Yep. And I dare you to eat the glue challenge.
Ew. Okay,
This is mega slime.
everybody got it? Mega slime.
The megalodon should be
Uh-oh, well, we're making a mess now. It's getting out of control, it's getting out of control. Put the tops back on it, so that won't happen.
Ew, I licked it.
That much was perfectly fine. It's not toxic.
It was,
But you don't want to eat it.
glue students.
We're going to put in the laundry detergent. Okay, I'm gonna guess that much, and then Haley's gonna stir it. Wait, no, wait to see.
well, that's so awesome.
This is Nick.
Haley's stirring the concoction. So basically on this part, you just stir it all up until it seems like not sticky or slick enough. But yeah, like to where like it's not sticky. Like when it's not sticky anymore, that's when it became slime. But if it's still sticky, it's not enough detergent. And since this is a mega slime, we need more detergent than you would if you only used one bottle of glue. Haley!
Wait, it wasn't even going.
Right? Put on a little bit, guys. Alright, so we got Haley stirring it up. This is it, y'all. It's getting gooey. It's getting gooey. What? Who farted? Ew. They smell really bad.
Woo! We'll be right back, y'all. We'll be right back. Y'all, you want to come over here? You done?
No. Okay, wash my head.
Wait, we have to do food coloring. Are you ready or no?
We rock, paper, scissors for whoever does this, and I'll beat both of them. It's red food coloring, and we can try to make it purple. Sweet.
Let's go ahead and put a few drops of food coloring.
How many drops?
Alright, Haley, you want this? Ooh, that's way too much.
I
Okay.
don't think so.
Haley, go ahead and squish it with your hands. Squish it. No, squish it. Both hands.
Right.
There you go.
Oh, Haley's not even in it.
Whoa.
Whoa.
It's getting too crazy.
Whoa. You.
That was too big. Okay, guys, let's play with it.
Ah! Yay! It's slime! Oh my gosh! Woo! This is so freaking cool!
It's like sticky putty. It's like VCC. When she be making that Play-Doh stuff.
This is so cool.
It actually farts.
Look, it just stretches. And it's my favorite color, purple. Look at that, y'all.
How you make a fart, Dre?
Subscribe. Leave a comment down below and hit that like button. Don't be fake. Seriously, don't be fake.